Hello, students. This is Saxon Algebra 2, Lesson 66A, Signs of Fractions, and I'll be working example 1. Example 1 says add 1 divided by x minus 3 minus 7a divided by minus x plus 3. Now, we just talked about signs of fractions, and we're going to see how powerful what we just learned is here. For one thing, I want you to remember that when you have the bar that separates the fractions, that works just like parentheses. So I'm going to put the parentheses in right now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this part of the problem and treat it like it's a fraction. Remember that I can change any two of the signs and not change the sign of the fraction. So these are the signs that are there now. The numerator is positive, plus 7a. The denominator is also positive, but it's minus x plus 3, and the fraction itself is negative. So what I'm going to do, I want to change this plus because of my experience, but you'll get experience too. I want to change this plus to a negative. And so I have to change one of the other ones as well in order to make the, in order to change this, keep the sign of that fraction. So I'm going to change this one to positive. So I'm going to change the fraction itself to positive, and I'm going to change the bottom to negative plus 3, and we have a 7a there. And now I'm going to simplify. The denominator of this fraction is now like a distribution. So I'm going to have 7a on the top. We don't usually write the plus, so I'm not even going to write the plus here. And minus a minus x is a plus x, and minus a plus 3 is a minus 3. And look what we've done. We now have the same denominator on both sides, but the problem has become 1 over x minus 3 plus 7a divided by x minus 3 by what I did. And don't we all like to add better than we like to subtract? So on the top, we're going to have 7a plus 1. And on the bottom, we're going to have x minus 3. And that's what we call finished. See you in another video.